I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hello my cookies, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Animal Rescue. I love this game. Don't say my inventory is...
Lila is Epic Child.
Yes, I'm an epic child. We were just talking about who is Roxie's child.
Epic Child.
I'm recording, bruh. Okay, so...
You poopy head.
Oh my god! Guys!
I'm gonna live stream tomorrow.
But I'm recording, so guys, if you wanna be in the video, all you have to do is subscribe and comment your username and have your joins on, and then subscribe to RoxieDucky. So we're just gonna be playing Animal Rescue and Roxie. What the heck is that avatar? What the heck? What is that avatar?
Pretty.
What do you mean?
I spent 71 on a shirt.
Oh god, okay, goodbye. Where are you guys? I can't find you. I see Emily, but like...
Hi, Booty Dookie.
What? Where's Roxie?
I don't know.
You know where you are. Oh, someone said no. I pressed accept on a bad trade. Nice job. That was a great decision, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, great job. Great job, Ash the Wolf, or whoever, whatever your name is. What's her name? Good job, Ash the Wolf. Yeah, Ash the Wolfie. Good job, Ash the Wolfie. That was a great decision. Ash the Wolfie did a great trade, an absolute great trade.
I'm a group member. No crybases. I'm a group member.
Guys. Oh no. On here. Go, 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 guys. Oh my god, I'm stuck on this rock. Can I just swim?
I'm a group member.
Please. Oh my god, let me just swim. Please. Oh my god. Yes, I made it over to the other side. I'm guessing Roxie is here too. Roxie, where the heck are you actually? Oh god, guys, I have no more room for animals.
Guys, I'm gonna give you more money. I'm gonna actually give you really good pets, Layla.
Okay, thank you.
I need to earn your pets because you deserve these beautiful pets.
Thank you.
You deserve them so much, and I really want to go to the Emerald Jungle, and I'm sad.
I know, right?
I'm super sad.
I just, like, oh my god. This is getting annoying where I, like, can't take in any pets. Because I have, like, 120 pets.
I'm pretending I'm giving her.
Oh, Roxie, remember that time with Emma when we were playing this game and then you guys just traded me more pets than I'll be able to have?
I traded you, like,
a bunch.
Over 50 pets. Somebody trade me some poots. Yeah, I've traded you lots of pets. Can I do it more, please?
Oh, yes.
Trade me some poots.
What do you want
This
to
is the most
trade?
excited I've ever been.
What do you want to trade? Are you what? I already have the polar bear. Oh, okay, okay. Guinea pig. What the heck?
Except
Okay.
yay! Thank you for taking that disgusting neon of mine.
Oh, you're welcome. No problem. That was really gross. New animal at animal shelter. Totally am not going to sell one of those. I'm gonna try to make a neon. I'm gonna try to make a mega, maybe. How do you get rainbow pets, by the way?
You have to work for them very hard.
You should make a rainbow neon.
A rainbow neon? I don't know how to do that. Oh wait, actually I do have rainbows. But I don't have enough to make a rainbow neon. A rainbow neon. Wow.
Okay, do you have 3 of something or something?
I'll look. I don't know if I have 3 of something. I think I do actually. Oh, I have 3 of a white dog neon.
You need
Use inventory. Okay, I just made one. I just made a neon.
Oh.
I just made a neon dog. Not that good. Oh my god, yes, I can make a neon, what is it called? Neon white polar bear. Oh my god, yes. That's gonna be so cute. Yes, I can actually, wait, can I make 2? Oh my god. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What?
Oh my god. I think I can, oh my god. Wait, no, 7. I need 9. 9 of those, and I can make a mega.
Stop giving me coins.
I could maybe make a mega neon of one of my pets. Guys, comment if I can. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, is this on my pet?
He's so mad.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna make another neon right now, but I just made a neon dog.
Just accept it. Finally, someone actually accepts someone.
Roxy, actually, where are you? Oh god, no. I just fell down to some of the...
Where are you?
Oh my god, I just fell
you
in that
go down to the
hole.
scorpion area.
Yeah, I'm coming back up. There's a giant red... Oh, I thought there was a giant red dog, but that was literally my guinea pig.
Let's do the parkour together.
Okay. You see that guinea pig that's floating? That's mine. And I literally thought it was a giant red guinea pig on the floor. And I was like, oh, that's mine. Did you fall?
Stop making me fall. I'm literally gonna scream after this game.
Yeah.
Stop. I'm super mad right now.
I love this game so much.
Bring me some megas.
No.
I don't have a mega, but I can probably make a mega pet. Yeah, I can make a mega white polar bear.
Look at my money go up.
I can make a mega white, oh my god, Roxy. You're so rich on this game, literally.
What do you mean?
You're literally so rich. I've always wanted that rainbow monkey. It looks so cool.
Why'd you kill me?
Roxy, why'd you fall?
You killed me.
Sorry, I mean, it was an
No, I
accident.
didn't. I fell.
What the heck?
Wait for me.
If I actually fall, I'm gonna cry.
Layla, I have some free pets for you.
Thank you.
Okay, are they the ones I gave you?
What?
I literally just gave her pets.
Thank you. I actually don't really have any butterflies. Trade complete. Thank you.
Can I give you a mega neon?
Yeah, you may.
Give me one.
Yeah, you can give me it.
No, I don't have any.
I can make one, but
Cool.
I'm gonna wait until I have more of it because, like, I don't want
Can I
to.
give you some? Can you trade me something for it?
Something for what?
Somehow I just cracked one of the bushes and I got a rainbow polar bear.
Really?
Yes.
I don't have enough room for any more pets, but I can make a mega polar bear. Should I make my
Then
mega?
make a polar bear, girl.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Should I make my mega polar bear?
Yes?
Okay, I'm gonna make it.
No, I'm crying.
I'm actually sorry about that, but like, it's true. I probably actually can. Let me just check how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You only need 10, don't you?
No, you need 9. You need 9.
How much money I have?
I'm gonna. Okay, I just made a neon,
Which polar bear?
and I want to make it mega. Mega.
What's the polar bear?
Mega neon. I need 2 to 3 more. What do you mean? Oh no! Oh wait. I just made that neon for no reason, right? Wait.
Wait, guys.
This needs to be neon.
Anyone have pig butterfly or actually?
If I read, if it will not work. No, guys! I just did that for no reason. I'm so dumb. I'm so sad right now.
What happened?
I'm just sad. I just made 2 neons for no reason.
I got a penguin.
Oh.
Why you make 2 neons? Did you think it was like a donkey?
No, I thought I could make a, I thought I could make it mega, but I couldn't.
Does one of you want one of my penguins?
Oh my god! Oh, wow, I just got out my neon polar bear. I have 2 neon polar bears. Guys, yeah. I'm just walking around with my neon pets. Yeah.
You mean new neon pets? Teehee. Teehee, do you love the neons?
Yes, I do.
They're beautiful. By the way, can I show you a way to get a dress if you're impressed?
Yeah.
I need more of those orange art.
Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video here because, like, we should.
No!
If you enjoyed, well, actually, no, I'm not gonna end this video. I'm gonna make a second half, but see you later.